Hi guys, today I'll show you this project after they poured concrete for the pier boxes, sonotube here with the anchor bolt 5/8. They remove the foams, and here you can see the dowels, like the L dowels, the rebar everywhere. Also for the other side, so the top of the pier boxes should be flush with that slab and will be level, you can see, but the slab, there's a slope for the concrete slab from the beginning to the end. Yeah, that's the existing slab, and here you can see that pier box is flush with that slab, same elevation all the way down. You can see the electrical conduit here all the way down, so you can see the slab for that canopy for trucks, washing trucks. So all those should be same elevation to match the elevation for that slab. You can see that is the existing slabs, existing work, dowels for mason, anchor bolts. Yeah, that's after they poured concrete. They're using the sonotube. Yeah. Thank you guys.